Okay, good morning all. So in this video, I'm going to explain histogram matching or specification. So okay, we have seen the what is that histogram processing and histogram equalization and some examples on histogram equalization. So here you know that in the histogram equalization, so we have the one fixed what is that relation between SK and RK, and then it generates the equalized histogram for the enhanced image. Okay, it's okay. So that means here histogram equalization automatically determines a transformation function that seeks to produce an output image that has a uniform histogram. So when automatic enhancement is desired, this is a good approach because the results from this technique are predictable and method is simple to implement. Right. So now the method used to generate a processed image that has a specified histogram is called histogram matching or specification. Right. So that means here for the specified histogram, actually user here according to user intention, right? According to the application, so we just specify an histogram in according to the user, then so according to that specified histogram, we just generate the what is that enhanced image, right? So here that enhanced image has the what is that uniform histogram. Okay, right? Okay, right? According to our specified histogram. Okay, so that's why here the method used to generate a processed image that has a specified histogram is called histogram matching or specification. Okay, now coming to the here procedure. Right here, it has a few steps here. So in the histogram matching, so we should follow this procedure. What is the first one here? Based on this equation, right? So here, what is that? Firstly, find the SK values, right? So according to the histogram equalization only. So that means here obtain PR of RJ from the input image. That is the first one. So here we have the RK values and we have the NK values, and then based on that find PR of RK values, of course. From PR of RK, of course, PR of RJ also. And then obtain the values of SK. Based on this PR of RK and then PR of RJ, find the SK values from this equation. So and then round off all the values, right? So to get the integer values, what is the range here? 0 to L minus 1, where L is nothing but number of what is that gray levels, right? Total number of gray levels in the image. Okay, now use the specified BD of probability density function and obtain the transformation function g of zq, and then round the value to the integer range 0 to L minus 1. So the first step is nothing but similar to histogram equalization. Coming to the second step, here firstly take the specified histogram or specified probability density function. So then from that specified PDF, okay, right, obtain the G of ZQ. So based on this formula, okay. So this is nothing but here G of ZQ is equal to L minus 1 summation Pz of Zi. Okay. So here Pz of Zi is nothing but, so that is that one is related to the specified histogram. Okay. So now here map these ZQ values to the SK values. This ZQ values to the SK values, right? So here ZQ is nothing but from this equation G inverse of SK. Okay, so how can you map? So here follow these steps. So the for every value of SK, use the stored values of G from step 2 to find corresponding value of ZQ, so that G of ZQ is closest to the SK, and store these mappings from S to Z. When more than one value of ZQ satisfies the given SK, choose the smallest value by convention. So this is the method here. So here after getting the what is that SK values, and also after getting the G of ZQ values, from the G of ZQ that so find the ZQ values, right, corresponding ZQ values. So here then map these two values, right, SK and ZQ values. Okay, right. So here we will explain this one in the with the example. Okay, right? So then you can get the clarity. Now coming to the another one. What is that last step? Form the histogram specified image by histogram equalizing the input image and then mapping every equalized pixel value sk of this image to the corresponding value zq in the histogram specified image using the mappings found in step 3. Okay, right? So from these values, you just what is that, form the histogram specified image. Okay, it's okay. Now here coming to the example. Okay, so example is here. So take the same example discussed in the histogram equalization. So here take the 3-bit image, L is 8, then size is 64 by 64, here Mn is 4096. That means total number of pixels in the image. N is equal to Mn, that is equal to 4096. So now here this is the table. Here what is that, tabulated the readings from the image. The first column is nothing but number of gray levels, RK 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the gray levels indicated as R0, R1, R2 and so on R7. Now coming to the second column, what is that, NK, total number of pixels in the image with the intensity R0. Okay, right? So number of pixels with the intensity R0, that is the NK. Now here NK also here tabulated, values are tabulated from the image. Now coming to this one, probability of the particular gray levels. Here just divide this column to the n, small n or mn, right? So then you can get this value. Okay, right? So add these, all these values, you can get the 4096. Add all these values, you can get the one value. Okay, and then here we should consider here specified histogram. Okay, so that's why here take the this table is given, right? So here ZQ and Pz of ZQ, right? So this is the specified histogram. So now ZQ is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now here Pz of ZQ is like this. Okay, so here actually the probabilities are here like this for the given image, but we should what is that, the desired histogram should the desired histogram is given here. So the probabilities should be like this. Okay, right? So here we should convert for the input image, right? So what is that, PR of RK values like this. We should convert from these values to these values. Then this one is nothing but for the enhanced image, right? The what is that, Pz of ZQ should be like this. Okay, right? It's okay. Now coming to this one, calculation. So here what is that first point? From the first point, what is the first point in the procedure? So you should get the SK values. Okay, so you should develop the table and then you should what is that, find the histogram equalized values, right? So here histogram equalized values are already done in the what is that example in the histogram equalization. So here from that I directly just post here. So what is that here, S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7 values, right? Based on the equation, what is that, Sk is equal to L minus 1 summation PR of Rj, where j is 0 to k is nothing but 0 to L minus 1. From that, so after implementing, after calculating Sk values, we got we obtained like this. What is it? S0 1, S1 3, S2 5, S3 6, S4 7, S5 7, S6 7, S7 7. Okay, right. It's okay. Now here based on the specified values, what is that? Specified histogram values. What is that here? Specified histogram, this one. Okay, so here consider this one. Okay, for this, so find out the G of ZQ values. G of ZQ based on the formula, same formula. What is that? L minus 1 summation Pz of what is that? ZQ, right? So here Q is replaced by here J. So J is 0 to K, right? It's okay. Pz of Zj, right? So here, firstly, I am substituting K is equal to 0 in the place of G of Zq. So, or Zq, Q is here 0 to K. So, here substitute here K is again 0 to L minus 1. So, K is 0. That means j0 to 0, that means j0. That means 7 into, what is that? Pz of z0. Okay, right. So that means it's cumulative addition. Already you know that one. Okay, right. From this, find the g of z0, g of z1, g of z2, and so on, g of z7. What we can do here, g of z0 is nothing but from the formula, you just take this value and multiply that one with the 7. 0 into 7 gives the 0. And then take this summation of these two and then multiply that one with the 7, then you can get the g of z1. That means 0 plus 0 into 7, 0. Then take these three values, added value, then into 7. Again 0 plus 0 plus 0 into 7 gives the 0. Then coming to this one, okay, so 0 0.15 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 into 7. Then you can get the 7 into uh, what is that? Here 0.15. So after multiplying this one, okay, then you can get the value 1.05. Then g of z4, again same 0.20 plus 0.15 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 into 7, then you can get the 2.45. Then here g of z5, so same thing like that. So g of z5 means add all these and then multiply with the 7, then you can get 4.55. Then g of z6, right? So 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.15 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 into 7, it is nothing but 5.95. Similarly, g of z7 is almost add all these values and then into 7, then you can get the 7. Okay, right. So now here after rounding off these values, this is 0, this is 0, and g of z3 is 1, g of z4 is 2, g of z5 is 5, g of z6 is 6, g of z7 is 7, right? So now you can get the new values. So g of zq values like 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So here observe this one. Actual sk values are like this. Actual sk. So values are like this: 0, 0, 0, 0.19, 0.25, 0.21, 0.24, 0.11. Right? Already done in the example. What is the histogram equalization? So you just refer that one also. And then here this is the specified pz of zq, right? So we are not comfortable with these values. That's why we have to what is that, specify the values like this. Okay, we just specify the values like this. According to this specified values, you should get the enhanced image. Okay, right. So now here these are the specified values, and then from this, right, so for the what is that actual values, so we have the S0 to S7 values, and then from the specified histogram we have the G of Z q values. Okay, like this. Okay, now here you should map these two values, right? You should map these two values and then get the desired histogram, or what is that, desired histogram or enhanced image. Okay, now see this, right? In what way? Now here observe S0 to S7 values are there. We should map between SK and ZQ. So see here. So here observe S0 is 1. Okay. So here 1 is related to here. Search here. Right. 1 is related to which one? G of Z3. That means 3 value. That means here in the S, that is the S1. But here that 1 is related to Z3. So now here how can we map this one here? Like this. Here SK is 1 but ZQ is 3. Okay, right. So here very important. So understand this one. Here observe S0 is 1. This one is here. What is that? Where is 1 here? So check here. This one is related to this G of Z3. So here Z3 is there. So now take that 3 value. Okay, now this one is mapped to the 3. In this way you just map. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now again coming to the next one. What is that? 3. This 3 value. So here search for 3. So there is no 3, but closer to 3, we should take the closest value of this 3. What is the closest value of this 3? 2. So now consider 2. So 2 is here belonging to Z4. Now this 3 is mapped to the 4 value. Okay, right. So that's why 3 is mapped to the 4. So okay, right. Remember we take sk and zq, not the g of zq. So that's why sk and zq. So that's why here take the sk values as 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, and then check here for the z1, z2, z3, z4 and so on z7 values. Okay, that's why. So 1 is here related to 3. 3 is here related to closest one 2 and then related to 4. That's why 3 to 4. Now coming to 5. So 5 is here related to 5. 6 is here. 6 is here. 6 is related to this 6. And 7 is here. 7 is related to this 7. Okay. Of course all 7 are there. So from S4 to S7, 7 value is there. That 7 is belonging to this 7. So that's why here how can you map here in between S and Z? See here SK, ZQ. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 values are there. 1 is to the 3, 3 is to 4, 5 is to 5, 6 is to 6, 7 is to 7. Of course you know that these SK values are actually mapped to the RK as RK value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 0 this is 1, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7, 7. Already this was actually it was done in the what is that previous example. You just verify. So RK SK mapping are like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So is equal to in XK like 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay. So in the same way here SK is mapped to this one ZQ. So here you can get finally like this. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 RK values are. So here in the particularly for new image. What is the new image here? Enhanced image. What is that? ZQ. Okay. So R is the input. S is the histogram equalized image. Z is the histogram specified image. Okay. That is the difference ZQ. Now this is nothing but 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7. So now what we can do for 0, how many pixels are there? Those are applicable to the right 3 intensity. Am I correct? So here that means for 0, how many pixel intensities are there? 790 on 0.19. Right? That means here for the in the input image 0.19 or 790 pixels are there with the 0 intensity. But now here that one is here coming to the 3. That means here what is that here? 0.19 1 minute. Right. So 0.19 value is with the 0. So now here is that one is coming to this one 3. Right. So 0.19 value is with the 3 intensity. So now coming to the here 1. Right. That means how many pixels are there? What is the probability here for the 1? So that is coming to the 4th intensity. Right? Second intensity value to the 5th intensity. Third intensity to the 6th intensity. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, right? So that one is coming to the 7th intensity. It's okay, right? So here consider these values from SK. Okay, right? It's okay. Take this one. So observe here. Okay, right? Observe here. So here up to now we have completed the mapping between the S and Z. Okay, right? And also R and Z. Okay, right. Now observe the here histograms. So now this is the histogram for the input image. Okay, so PR of RK, here RK. This is the actual one. And this one is the, what is that? Specified histogram. Okay, so we just specify one histogram, our desired histogram, that is this one. Okay, this is drawn from the table, this one, this from this. Okay, right. So now here again, so here I am this one is figure C is nothing but transformation function obtained from the specified histogram. So from this, that means G of ZQ, you know the values here. G of ZQ, so with respect to ZQ, so here G of Z0, 0, 0, 0, next 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, so it is here, okay, look here, so here 0, 0, 0, 0, next 1, next 2, next one is, what is that, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, Okay, see here 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, rounding of values. Otherwise, you may take like this. Okay, actual values 1.05, 2.45, 4.55, 5.95, 7. From with this information, you just draw the one transformation function between the, what is that, ZQ and G of ZQ. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, now coming to the here result of performing histogram specification graph. That means here this is the specified one, but after applying this what is the histogram matching procedure on the particular image, so what is the resultant image histogram. So that is the here this one, that is the equalized image for the enhanced image after taking the histogram specification. It's okay now this one. So here how can you draw this one? Here see this, right? So here after mapping between the S and Z, you should draw this one. Okay, so here see this. Okay, to draw the here, what is that histogram result of performing histogram specification? What is that figure D here? So this is the actual enhanced image histogram, right? So here, see this here, right? So how can you map this S and Z? So here 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 values are mapped to the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, you know that for SK values. So here you know the probabilities 0.19, 0.25, 0.21, 0.24, 0.11. So these are assigned to the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. Okay, right. So now here observe the histogram. So for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. So here values are here 0.19, 0.25. So see here 0.19 for the 3. So 0.25 for the 4. Next one is 0.21, 0.24, 0.11. See here 0.21 for the 5. Next 0.24 for the 6. 0.11 for the 7. Right. So in this way you should draw the, what is that, PZ of ZQ versus ZQ. Okay. So here that means here um, this is the input image RK values. This is the enhanced image after applying histogram specification method. Enhanced image ZQ values. That means in the input image you have the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 intensities. But in the, what is that, enhanced image, you have only the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values, right? So if you see this one, after applying histogram equalization, you have only the 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 intensities. Okay, so there is a difference here between the input image, enhanced image using histogram equalization method, enhanced image using histogram specification method, right? Actually, you just specify the what is that, specified histogram is looking like this. See this here also we need like this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 intensity is only there, right? So see 0, 1, 2 intensities are 0. Okay, so with these intensities pixels are 0. So we also specified like this is our desired histogram. So in such a way only, right? So you can get the, what is that, desired, what is the histogram for the enhanced image. Okay, so this is the one histogram matching. So now here take the another example. So 2019 supply, so this question is asked. So all of you note down this one and then do the problem, homework problem. Okay, thank you.